Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're gonna, my wife got me a couple of surprise gifts. So I already know it's cast iron, so we're gonna unbox these. I already know what the first one is, because she told me, but the second one she's keeping a surprise. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I always like getting surprises. Okay, so we have box number one, which is simple. That's a large. This one doesn't have no mark. Well, it did have markings on it, but as you can see, she peeled them off. She goes, I ain't telling you what that one is. Okay, so let me swing this around and we'll get down to it. Okay, so let's get down to the large one here. She said she got this one because I got a couple things I'm going to cook on the side of the grill, not the actual grill part. So anyway, I didn't see it yet, so she just told me. That's kind of cool. It's going to be a square pan. It's a fish grill pan. I ain't making no fish. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice looking pan, huh? I'll show you guys again after we get done with the box thing here, but this is on the back side, huh? All right, we'll put this over here. Let's get on to the next box. Let's see. That's a heavy pan right there. Holy moly. Whew. All right. Now this one, I don't know what it is, but she said it was still cast iron, so let me swing this around and get my knife and start to opening it. Oh, where is that on? Wow, that's some serious tape there. Wow. I have to say, are you kidding me? They taped this up like Fort Knox. There you go. Whoop. Didn't mean to do that one. Don't get dizzy, guys. Oh, I did it again. All right, let's see here. Huh. A box in a box. Nah, I guess it ain't gonna be that big, huh? All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, dude. Holy crap. That's a big box, huh? And then we got the box on inside. And that one says, if you guys can make that out, it's Lancaster, Pennsylvania, number 8. Looks like it got a wagon on the back, huh? We are a team of entrepreneurs, chefs, craftsmen, and artists with a passion for bringing friends and family together around the table. The Lancaster skillet is a tool that will improve with age and create memories that last generations. This is number 8, most popular size skillet according to the box. Let's see what it looks like. Turn this over. I think this is the back, bottom. Yeah, see, that's the top. I'm excited. I never had a skillet from Pennsylvania. All right. Whoa, dude. I don't know what she paid for this monkey, but boy. Whew. There you go. Oh, they left her a little note in here. Penny, welcome to the Lancaster family. We hope you love your new skillet. Happy cooking. I can't read the name. It looks like a doctor's signature kind of deal, you know. But that's pretty cool. And then it says, first time use, gently wash your Lancaster skillet with a little soap and water, which we'll do a little bit later. Before making your first meal, otherwise no preparation is needed as required. The new skillet is pre-seasoned, enabling you to begin cooking right away. Oh, we're going to work on that. I said, be generous with the amount of cooking oil. Olive oil is our favorite. Used to build up more substantial seasoning, which is always. Then they give you how to clean it and seasoning and care. So, That's a nice pan. Look at that. Whew. That is smooth as a baby's behind. Well, I wonder what she paid for this sucker. And there you go. Look, it is on the back, like on the box, huh? Look at that. Nice. Okay. Reminds you of the Amish country thing, doesn't it? I don't know. Anyway. All right. So let me get the other pan over here. You see what that one looks like. We'll take this one. We'll give you guys another view of that and this. I don't know if we can get them on the same box platform here. Let me take this off here. All right. Side-by-side comparison. This one, even the handle is smooth on this. Look at that. Wow. But it is. It's like glass. It's this one here, typical Lodge. It's got a kind of a rough surface. You don't hear nothing. Look at it. Same thing on the side here. Nothing. Okay, well anyway, we'll cook on both of them. This one's going to be used, like I said, for the outside on the grill, on the side burner, because that way, certain dishes I don't want to cook on the grill, on the barbecue part, but I can make on the side of the grill and still get grill marks. It's going to be nice. Okay, this one here, we're going to work on this. So that's it for the unboxing right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this up, and I will invite you guys back in to do the first cook. We'll make an egg sandwich or something like that for Penny. That's her thank you. All right, this is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing venture with me. So until next time, stay hungry, because I'm going to come back with a video. In that pan, we're going to make us some eggs.